be special. It's gonna be great. Off to the mainland without coaches or freight.
Please, sir, I beg you, I just have to know. Will you, won't you take me to the railway show? Take me, sir, I pull the heaviest trains. I'm such a mighty engine, sir, it's never a strain.
It's not a tough decision, though, I have to confess. It's hard to find a better engine for the Express.
Precisely.
But I didn't mean not to take me, sir.
I know I'm kind of small, sir, but I'm not a beginner. I had a race with Gordon once and I was the winner.
You ought to take me, sir. I'm modern and new. Your first diesel ever. I'm loyal, kind and true.
It's gonna be special, it's gonna be great. Off to the mainland without coaches or freight. Please, sir, I beg you, you can't tell me no.
Will you, won't you take me to the railway show?
Fast engines, long engines,
Tough engines, strong engines. Everyone who's any engine's eager to go.
I'm not going anywhere.
Will you, won't you take us to the railway show?
It's gonna be special, it's gonna be great.
Leaving behind all our coaches and freight. Please, sir, we're begging you, just can't say no. Will you, won't you take us to the railway show? Will you, won't you take us to the railway show?
Will you, won't you take me to the railway show? S-O-D-O-R! What does that spell? Soda! Come on, Soda! Yes, the Soda! Oh no! I've got to get across! I can't stop I did it! I did it! Thomas? Uh-oh. Oh, cinders and ashes! I'm on the wrong track! Get out of the way! I really must stop doing that.
Arriving right on time for the third year in a row is the most famous steam engine of all time, Thomas the Tank Engine. He's been a busy little guy with the books, the videos, and his Thomas and Friends animated series on PBS Kids and YT Kids. With Thomas in the lead, children experience timeless life lessons of discovery and, of course, cooperation.
In this year's movie, The Great Race, Thomas was joined by trains from around the world. Well, he continues on track right here, inviting all children to help him set friendship in motion by saying, "All aboard."
I can only be me. There's nothing else I can possibly be. And now I'm happy, I am who I am. I'll be the best me that I can.
You don't need to be faster, big and stronger. You don't need more than 6 more wheels.
I don't need